I am back in Japan. And this time, we're not just visiting Tokyo, we're also going to the northmost part, which is called Hokkaido. बहुत ही crazy area है, it's super underrated. And after that, we're also going to visit a secret hot spring town. But the main reason I'm here, well, obviously, are Pokemon cards and anime. And I'm going to visit every Pokemon center in Tokyo. I'm also searching for some very special Pokemon cards, including a few banned cards, which released 25 years ago only in Japan. But yes, join me. Let's go to the first Pokemon center where I went as soon as I landed. It was in Ikebukuro, called Mega Pokemon Center. Now we're in Pokemon Center, Mega Pokemon Center in Ikebukuro. They have a giant Miraidon statue which I won't touch. Keep civic sense. And ये Pokemon Center actually Japan का सबसे बड़ा वाला है because it has 4 areas. One is the actual Pokemon Center. The other one, if just follow me out, is that Pokemon Sweet Shop over there. Then there's a Pokemon Go shop over here. And then वहाँ पे you have the Pokemon Trading Card Game shop, where दोनों जगह same ही cards मिलते हैं, but yeah, you have 4 places here. So let's go inside this one. There's a Team Rocket का display here because Team Rocket का set निकला है ना अभी, तो बहुत सारे accessories है उसके. There is something I'm actually interested in यहाँ पे, which is the box if I can find it. हाँ, Team Rocket का card box. Look at this. Card sleeves honestly कुछ खास नहीं है. More boxes. सुमस है. Card variety में भी मज़ा नहीं है कुछ as such. कोई स्टॉक तो है नहीं, सिर्फ यही अवेलेबल है. सुमस है. Wild the Force no go pack.
5 packs.
5 packs, hi.
Okay.
And Stellar Crown 5 packs.
Okay. 5 each.
Hi, yes.
Okay. Pre-check together.
Hi.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes.
And Pokemon card cannot be changed, exchange or
Okay.
regain.
Okay, yes. All sold out, right?
Yeah.
When will stock come back?
No, sorry.
No idea?
Yeah.
Okay. So the Pokemon Center here also has this Pokemon Go zone, and this has to be one of the coolest fucking area. I missed this last time I was here. मैं देखा ही नहीं है. So it has all 3. If you play Pokemon Go, it has all 3 teams का leader and the professor, and this screen जहाँ पे it shows all the stats. So apparently Team Mystic is beating Team Valor and what was the yellow one? Team Instinct these days. और बाकी stats है. See, Chansey is used a lot. Metagross usage stats है Pokemon का. ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही काफ़ी crazy है ये. In fact वहाँ पे भी if you see they have the teams that are most popular here. And अभी यहाँ तक आ ही गए अगर, तो let's see what Pokemon Go looks like in Tokyo. Alright. भाई साहब, मेरा phone hang हो गया है. If you don't play Pokemon Go, you're not going to get this. But if you play Pokemon Go, this is insane. They are like, मतलब अभी कैसे समझाऊँ तुम्हें how crazy this is. जिम तो फिलहाल पिट रहा है. Let me try and add something here. Gengar है जो पिट रहा है. Let me add one of my Tyranitar's. टीम देख लो मेरी जरा. I'll do a longer video on Pokemon Go someday, but like I'm not a noob. Decent team है. This Kyogre specifically is like 100 IV lucky shiny. तो yeah. And क्या कर सकते हो. और ये अब भी Valor था, मिस्टेक कर दिया किसी ने. फोड़ेगा ये जिम को. जिम फोड़ते हैं. अरे वोल्टॉप आ गया. ठीक है. आई थिंक ओ ये क्या है, येलो चीज. Okay, I have no idea what this is. I'm playing after a long time. I think this is because it's a Pokemon Center, it's a yellow stop. If someone knows, tell me because मैं बहुत टाइम से खेला नहीं हूँ. चलो ठीक है. I think I'll play the rest off camera. After visiting the Pokemon Center and the Pokemon Go installation, we checked out the Pokemon TCG shop, जो बेसिकली पोकेमॉन सेंटर का ही एक्सटेंशन है. वहाँ पे कुछ अलग कार्ड्स तो मिलते नहीं है. दैट वाज प्रीटी ओके. एंड नेक्स्ट टू दैट वाज द पोकेमॉन गो मर्च शॉप, वेयर honestly most of the merch was the same. Stickers because तो वही थे. I think there were some like plushies and stuff which were new, and also they had that Pokestop spinning thing which you're not allowed to touch, and I really wanted to just spin it with my hands. While the Pokemon Center was definitely fun to visit, जो Team Rocket का नया सेट मिला था वो तो नहीं मिल पा रहा था मुझे. And just when I thought कि पूरा जापान ट्रिप ऐसे ही जाने वाला है, we stopped by a Family Mart which is like 7-Eleven on the way out of the Pokemon Center का building. And well, you'll never guess what I found. Okay guys, Pokemon centers में we're not able to find the Team Rocket set, but in a random 7-Eleven, नहीं Family Mart था, Family Mart. In a random Family Mart, they were selling 3 packs per person. So I got my friend with me there, and उन्होंने 6 packs उठा लिए. I'm hoping अभी तो मैं हर random store में घुसने वाला भाई Team Rocket packs ढूंढने के लिए, क्योंकि ऐसे जो actual stores में मिलता है वहाँ पे तो नहीं मिल रहा है. But yeah, I think yes, या तो I'll keep half of them sealed and 3 खोलते आज. This is Japan during peak hours. मैं Ikebukuro स्टेशन में हूँ. Just look at the crowd. And I want to go to Harajuku and Shibuya, which is the most popular line. Oh, Yamanaka line करके. तो ऐसे एकदम ऐसे सैंडविच बन के आने वाला हूँ मैं गाड़ी में. From there we just went to different parts of Tokyo like Harajuku and Shibuya, which are actually quite next to each other. Harajuku में there was a Uniqlo where I saw a bunch of Pokemon merch. I bought a couple of t-shirts as well. And then we went to Shibuya for dinner. So from there hotel चले गए. बहुत ही लंबा दिन गया था. So okay, we went to Pokemon Center DX the next day, which is the most underrated Pokemon Center because it's quite further away from a lot of tourist destinations. So ज़्यादा tourists वहाँ पे जाते नहीं हैं. But I think it has the best wall art leading up into the center, which I think you will see for yourself now. So enjoy. Gen 1, Gen 2 Crystal, Gen 3 Ruby Sapphire, Gen 4 डीआर पाल किया है ऊपर. Emerald भी है इधर. Emerald के ऊपर Gen 4 रहा, प्लेसमेंट अजीब है. Gen 5 and then the latest gens. I mean, they actually only went up to the Sun and Moon. They haven't made installations for the newer gens, but just look at how cool this is. And then of course there is the Pokemon Center. Aside from the rotating stuffed toys, they have a bunch of other random stuff as well, like this wall sticker and these Pokemon tails. So yeah, basically you stick it to the wall and they act as hooks, which is very cool. I think मैं Pikachu वाला ले रहा हूँ. I already have the Mew one. Today I'll take a Pikachu one. बाकी कुछ चीज़ों की ज़रूरत है या मैं ऐसे out of control हूँ? ये तो ले रहा हूँ मैं. At least I'll see if there's anything else I like. And they also have these stickers, which is a very easy way to burn money. पता ही नहीं चलता है. ऐसे एक 200 रुपए का एक स्टिकर है, 200-250 रुपए का. And you just take one, thinking कि हाँ ये इसके बाद और नहीं लूँगा मैं. And then suddenly you can't afford rent. Just look at these. Okay, so here are the pickups today. We got 2 boxes of Wild Force, जो एक TCG सेट है पुराना जापान का. जैसे मैं कहा था 2 playmats लिए. I got the Pikachu, that hook. क्या है? Got 3 stickers. दिखाता हूँ मैं एक सेकंड में. Blue or Gary and his Pidgeot, Red and Pikachu, and Cynthia and Garchomp. Maybe we'll give a few away. Not Cynthia and Garchomp, the other ones. And other than this, the main thing which I spent like 17,000 yen on this stuff, but the thing I'm most happy with is this. 10 more packs of Team Rocket. Because ये Pokemon Center एक proper office area में है ना, we were able to go to one of those typical Japanese salaryman bars, have a nice dinner while looking at the salaryman culture nearby, and from there we saw the rarest thing in Tokyo, an empty train. मतलब मैंने कभी नहीं देखा है. I spent the next few days just exploring Tokyo, going to a lot of card shops and buying single cards like this Hoopa, which is pretty cool, and a few of the other cards as well. And after a few more days in Tokyo, we finally got ready to head to Hokkaido, which is the northernmost part of Japan, a different island altogether, and the capital city Sapporo, जो काफी ठंडा है, but well, it has some interesting places to visit. You'll see. Guys, I'm in Sapporo, which is cold as hell, but they have some amazing deals here. I think यहाँ पे ज़्यादा लोग आते नहीं है Pokemon card shopping करने, so the prices are genuinely significantly lower than a lot of Tokyo. Just look at some of these cards also that are available. तो I think मैं यहाँ पे crazy होने वाला हूँ. In Sapporo, we visited a ton of shops, including a Pokemon Center, जो Sapporo में. It's the only one in the entire island of Hokkaido. We got some good cards there. They had Terrestrial Festival and Team Rocket, both of which are super rare packs. So I'm still in Sapporo, and this store I went to, they don't allow recording, so I didn't record there. But बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं. They sold this sealed box of one of the latest Japanese sets at market cost, जो कोई store नहीं करता है. All these stores are charging like double the prices and all that. Only Pokemon Center actually sells boxes at the actual rate, but वहाँ पे तो available ही नहीं रहते sealed boxes. So पता नहीं घूम के फ़ायदा हुआ. And these smaller towns have a lot of stock, and they sold one per customer, but I anyways wouldn't buy like 5 or 10 because I don't want to disturb. Like I want other people to be able to buy as well. तो scalp नहीं करना मुझे. But this is awesome. Maybe घर जाके खोलूँगा. Maybe I'll keep it sealed for a while. From there, we explored the rest of Sapporo. We went to this area called Susukino, जो रात को अलग ही vibe हो जाता है पूरी तरह से. It's like this. The video you're seeing right now is probably around 2:30 in the night. It's quite crazy. And there's this street called Ramen Street, which is famous all around the country, where you get a special kind of ramen called butter ramen, जो सिर्फ Hokkaido में मिलता है. तो ये सब खा पी के we went to sleep in preparation for the next day. Bro, we're at Maruyama Park right now in Sapporo, and अब लग रहा है कि cherry blossom season चल रहा है. Just look at this. Honestly, cameras don't do this justice. You actually have to see. You have to sit in person. बहुत मैंने इतने एनिमे और मूवीज देखे ना जिसमें चेरी ब्लॉसम्स रहते हैं. एंड आई नो देयर आर सम इंडिविजुअल ट्रीज इन अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, बट टू सी दिस मेनी इन वन स्पॉट, जस्ट लुक एट हाउ वाइब्रेंट दैट वन इज. So for me, this is like a dream come true. Here's a really neat fact about Sakura, right? You can just shuffle a deck of cards near it and pick a random card. Let's go the Ace of Spades. If you take that card and you just rub it like that, it turns into a red card. चेरी ब्लॉसम्स के साथ साथ हम लोग ने होकाइडो जो आइलैंड है वहाँ के काफ़ी और इंटरेस्टिंग लोकेशंस भी देखे, लाइक ओतारू, विच इज़ अ टाउन राइट नेक्स्ट टू सापोरो, वेयर देयर इज अ ब्यूटिफुल कनाल. मतलब अगर तुम ये वीडियोस देख रहे हो तो तुम्हें समझ ही रहेगा मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. इट्स अनबिलीवेबल. So we are in Hokkaido, Japan, which is the northernmost island in Japan, and it's one of the coldest places in the country. यहाँ पे अभी it's right around 3 to 4 degrees right now. It's freezing balls, and that makes it very difficult for me to control cards also because हाथ का coordination पूरा mess up हो जाता है. So in this cold, I want to try and see if I can shuffle the cards and track 4 kings. All right, I'm going to shuffle it like this too. I want to try and see if I can cut to the 4 kings. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4 kings, and all cards are different. Actually, काफी windy. I should probably stop the video. From Otaru, we went back to the city of Sapporo, and at night we visited Mount Moiwa, which is this beautiful area It's a hill basically with a nice monument which overlooks the entire city and has an amazing view in the night. And just like that, our 4 days in Hokkaido was up. बहुत ज़्यादा ही मज़ा आया इधर. But it was time to go back to Tokyo and resume some more Pokemon card hunting. Tokyo वापस आते ही we checked into our hotel and spent the next 1 or 2 days hitting up single Pokemon card shops. And in fact, when one of the shop owners found out I can speak a little Japanese plus I'm a magician, well, then he asked me to do a few magic tricks for him in Japanese. Zenbu card wa different desu ne?
Oh, yes.
Chigaimasu ka? Chigaimasu. Hai.
Zenbu.
Donnani card wa eradu kodasai. Hai. 4 hato. Hato. Zenbu.
What?
Okay. Mata. Hai. Okay. Kono card wa kimi no janai ne?
Janai.
Okay. Hand open. Hai. Kono card mo nai ne?
違う違う。
Okay. 手の中にはカードここにいます。
お
手の中で何？
やめてやめて。
チェックチェック。
怖い怖い。
So we're back inside Nakano Broadway, which is where I had gotten my Charizard last time, जो मैंने 151 original cards वाला video किया था ना. And because it's Golden Week right now, which is the most popular holiday in Japan, just look at the amount of people that are here compared to the last time. नीचे भी पूरा पैक्ड ही है मतलब, so probably इस टाइम इतने अच्छे कार्ड्स नहीं मिलेंगे. I even found a very unique shop inside Nakano Broadway, जहाँ पे सिर्फ ऐसे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पुराना anime और ऐसे Japanese cultural goods मिलते हैं, like old action figures and mecha robot figurines. And after shopping in Nakano and getting a bunch of cool vintage cards, we went to maybe my favorite spot in the country. Okay, right now we're at the foot of what is probably my favorite part of, like, favorite attraction in Tokyo, maybe the world. And लोग बोलते हैं कि ये जगह टूरिस्ट ट्रैप है, but मुझे तो बहुत पसंद है. I've come here at least like 5 times, and just because you get like the best possible view of Tokyo. मैंने एक बार Mount Fuji देखा है यहाँ से, and I'm at that place is Tokyo Skytree. And now I'm going to just flip the camera so you can see how insane this looks. All right, let's go. You know, if you've played Pokemon Emerald na, then you'll all remember Sky Pillar. Oh, full वैसा ही vibe है. Just the normally मैं रात को इधर आता हूँ. I don't come here during the day much, but today I want to see the sunset inside the tower. And the view is even more beautiful in the evening. So when we come down, it will probably be evening by then. I'll show you guys the view tab. But just to get an idea of the scale of this thing na, just give me a second. Absolutely massive. I don't know if video में capture हो रहा है कि ये चीज़ कितना ज़्यादा लंबा है, but you can't even see the top actually from there. And यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ चल रहा रहता है festival हमेशा. When I had come here last October, there was a October Fest going on. I don't drink beer, but वो काफ़ी cool था. There's a Kirby cafe here for. I mean, I'm not big into Kirby, but वो भी है. Even though you never get seats, interestingly. Let's just walk a little more. Sumimasen. And that is the entry. Wild जगह है भाई ये. I will see you on the other side. Okay, so we're inside the Tokyo Skytree city, and we have reached Pokemon Center Skytree with arguably one of the coolest installations I've seen in any shop. This is giant Rayquaza popping out with a Pikachu on top. मेगा रेक्वासा भी उधर, वो भी दिखा लेता तुम्हें जरा. Now from a selection point of view, I don't know what this is, मतलब गेम्स में है, but यहाँ पे काफ़ी decent stock है. It's not the biggest Skytree, it's not the biggest Pokemon Center shop, so they don't have as much as like Pokemon Center DX for example, मगर they have some stuff. मैं रेक्वाजा का लिया recently भी. यार सॉफ्ट टॉयज बहुत हो गए हैं मेरे पास, बट अभी अगर स्काईट्री के इसमें आए, जस्ट लेट्स लुक एट दैट मेगा रेक्वाजा फर्स्ट वंस. दैट्स फकिंग सिक. अगर यहाँ आए गए तो मैं एक रेक्वाजा का ले सकता हूँ, शाइनी रेक्वाजा का, अगर मेरे को मिलेगा प्लश, जो मुझे नहीं लगता मिलने वाला है बिकॉज इट्स ऑलवेज सोल्ड आउट हियर. हाँ, नहीं लग तो नहीं रहा है कि रेक्वाजा का प्लश है. ज़रा पूछ के देखते हैं किसी को. सुमिमासें हैं रेक्यूजा नो मेगुरुमी आरिमास का.
đâu nổi nhỉ? Chúng ta tìm chị Vi cái hát được quay lại. Con.
Shiny रेक्यूजा.
Shiny, no.
Shiny sold out? Okay, so they don't have shiny Rayquaza. They only have the normal green one, which is also cool. But मेरे को ऐसे भरने का नहीं है घर पे सामान. देखते पोकेमॉन कार्ड्स में क्या देखते जरा स्टॉक. ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा हो जाएगा. ये घर लेके जाने में प्रॉब्लम होगा. चल आधा लगेज का जगह वही ले लेगा रे. क्या देखते पोकेमॉन कार्ड्स में क्या है. पोकेमॉन कार्ड्स में कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं है. लगता है टीम रॉकेट सोल्ड आउट हो गया. सिलेक्शन इज़ क्वाइट सैड इन पोकेमॉन कार्ड्स. प्लशेस भी से सोल्ड आउट है. अनफॉर्चुनेटली ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये शॉप में वाइब अच्छा है बट कुछ खरीदने लायक नहीं है. स्लीव्स तो मैं लेता नहीं हूँ. मैं भी बॉक्सेस ले सकते हैं अपन. ठीक है चलो मैं थोड़ा ऑफ कैमरा शॉपिंग कर लेता हूँ. एंड आई विल look at that Snorlax, look at the size of that thing. मस्त है. Anyways, I will see you on the other side of this. यार पर्सनली मेरे को पता नहीं, is it because we came here during Golden Week, which is a very busy holiday, or is it just that the Pokemon bubble has gotten too big, but there's not really much stock here. There is one Pikachu with a Skytree ka doll which I already got last year, so I'm not buying it again. I think that's also sold out actually. Shiny Rayquaza is sold out. तो अब कुछ करने को है नहीं. लुक और फील अच्छा है ये जगह. मे भी अपन थंबनेल के लिए एक फोटो ले सकते हैं ऐसे. Rayquaza मेरा हाथ खा रहा है. 30 साल का हूँ मैं. And from the Pokemon Center, we use the elevator to go straight to the top of Tokyo Skytree. And it's really hard to explain how fast this elevator is moving. But literally in 45 seconds, you can feel your ears pop as you shoot towards the top of the Skytree. And the timing we selected was also a very, very busy timing, which is during peak sunset. सबसे ज़्यादा crowd तभी आता है Skytree पे, but man, what a sight. It was definitely worth it. You can actually see how packed it is right now because of sunset. I actually fought my way through the crowd and got to a super nice position to actually see the sun set behind the mountains in Tokyo. And I'm just going to stop talking now and speed the video up so you can actually see the sunset. But I mean, I have to say this maybe was like the most memorable part of any trip I've done in Japan over the last 3 years. मतलब ये कभी नहीं भूल पाऊंगा मैं. After sunset, we stayed back up at the Skytree just to catch a glimpse of what the night skyline would look like. And वहाँ से we went down and luckily managed to get a table at Kirby Cafe, even though it's notoriously difficult to get a table there. And we had some Kirby themed food. Honestly, खाना okay था. The presentation was nice, but I mean, you're paying just for the experience here.
Okay.
From Kirby Cafe, we went to Asakusa, which is an area right next to Tokyo Skytree, and it also has one of the busiest temples in the world called Sensoji Temple, जो दिन में भरा हुआ रहता है with tourists, but if you go at night, you get to enjoy peace and quiet while looking at the temple in superb orange lighting. After spending some time there, we went to Ginza to have some dinner. यार ये देख के वापस मुझे भूख लग रहा है. And then we tucked in for the night because बहुत ही लंबा दिन गया था. The next day we left Tokyo again, but this time only for a day to go to Kusatsu Onsen town. Onsen actually means hot springs, and Kusatsu, it's a resort area which is one of the most popular destinations for Japanese tourists, but not many international travelers know about this place. जाना भी थोड़ा टफ है वहाँ पे. You have to go with a very specific train, and then वहाँ से it's another 45 minutes का bus ride. However, man, it's the best hot springs I've ever been in my life. And the sights are almost as good as the hot springs feel. But maybe I'll just stop talking and let you see for yourself. So after visiting the center hot spring, we checked into our room, which was a traditional Japanese style room. Okay guys, I'm taking a quick break from anime stuff, and I visited Kusatsu Onsen town in Japan. This is probably the best town in Japan for hot springs, which makes it the best town in the world for hot springs. मेरे पीछे देखो ये. This is natural hot spring water coming from beneath the ground. ये एरिया में जितने भी obviously यहाँ पे मैं नंगा होकर नहीं आ सकता हूँ, but जितने भी hot springs है सबका पानी यहाँ से आता है. It's natural surfer water, and what I've had so far is insane. तो मेरा अगले 12 घंटे का प्लान है सिर्फ non-stop hot spring में जाना, cold coffee पीना और hot spring में जाना, but I will probably end up passing out from exhaustion. In addition to visiting a ton of different hot springs around the city, I also ate a lot of regional delicacies, like this sweet dish called mochi and also traditional Japanese tea. I have hit not every, but a couple of major onsens, and मेरे में ऐसा सांस लेने को और एनर्जी नहीं है, मुझे आगे बेहोश होना है. I will probably eat more, but before I pass out, I just want to show you how this place looks in the night, alright, because it's absolutely beautiful. अभी शाम के तकरीबन 8:30 7:30 के आसपास बचे, around 7:30. It's not fully, I think sun has not set fully yet. Just look at this. It's absolutely stunning. थोड़ा और enjoy करूँगा मैं ये sights. I'll probably do onsen again in the morning, and I will see you guys back in Tokyo. उसके बाद I just kind of admired the central hot spring a little more at night because the light really brought it back to life. Yeah, I just had one thought. So this town, Kusatsu, has the hot spring water that's over here. It runs through the whole town, basically. So ये देखो नीचे कनाल है, पानी देखो. अगर गलती से भी वो सेम पानी जेट स्प्रे में आ गया तो एक दिन कितने लोग जाएंगे सोचो ICU. Okay, so that was an insane and very relaxing trip to probably the best hot spring resort in the world. अब यहाँ से टोक्यो वापस जा रहे हैं, and there are a couple of cards I want to get now. First is this series of banned cards of the OG Pokemon cards. So एक Sabrina का कार्ड है जिसमें she is holding like a master ball like this और उसका middle finger extend बाहर हो रहा है. एक तो कितना beautiful scenery के साथ में बकवास कर रहा हूँ, but whatever. So I want that card. There's a card called Misty's Tears that's banned. I'm not going to tell you why that card is banned. You can Google it and find out. मेरे को video age restrict नहीं करना. Then there are a couple of other cards. एक है सबरीनाज गेंगार करके कार्ड जो एक्सट्रीमली महंगा कार्ड है, वो मुझे लगता नहीं मिलने वाला है। वो मैंने कोई शॉप में देखा भी नहीं है बिफोर कमिंग हियर। लाइक आई इन द लास्ट 8-9 days आई बीन इन टोक्यो, आई नॉट सीन एनी ऑफ दोस सबरीना गेंगार्स कार्ड। सो इट्स बेसिकली अ 25-year-old कार्ड जिसमें ऐसे बैकग्राउंड में देयर इज लाइक अ टूमस्टोन विद अ एक्स, लाइक अ क्रॉस, जो ऑब्वियसली मतलब पोकेमॉन में क्रिश्चियनिटी के रेफरेंसेस अभी तो है नहीं, एंड that card was never released in US because of that religious connotation. तो as soon as we get back to Tokyo, I want to hunt down those cards. बाकी तो बहुत अच्छे कार्ड्स उठा लिए मैंने, बट मेरा ऐसे दिल भर गया with modern cards. I don't plan on picking up any more like modern newer sets. Mostly just vintage stuff. Throwback to the last time I was here and picked up all 151 cards. तो थोड़े ऐसे अलग-अलग maybe I feel like I'll get a Typhlosion OG वाला. तो देखते क्या और उठा सकते अपन. But for the most part, I'm done with vintage. I'm done with modern cards. Guys, so I'm in this area called Shimokitazawa, which is a very quaint cafe type area. बस बढ़िया vibe है इधर. And यहाँ पे एक card shop में, which I had come before last year to buy some vintage cards, I found this amazing card. एक बहुत ही rare Meowth card है जो सिर्फ जापान में प्रोमो की तरह मिला था, and it's super sought after. And it's super expensive in all the shops, but because I came to like a area which is not popular for cards, I got this in a great deal. So the moral is always go off the beaten path. Even though Shimokitazawa is not exactly beaten path, but फिर भी और बढ़िया shop है देखो. So yeah. Okay guys, we're in probably the coolest part of Tokyo. Shibuya में आए हम लोग. एंड वेल ये जगह तो तुम्हें पता ही है, शिबुया क्रॉसिंग. इट्स रेन्ड हियर रिसेंटली एंड द नियॉन हिटिंग द वाटर इज जस्ट. तो अब मैं यहाँ पे 2-3 और पोकेमॉन कार्ड शॉप्स को चेकआउट करने वाला हूँ. आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू गो चेक आउट द पोकेमॉन सेंटर इफ आई हैव टाइम. इट इज़ राइट नाउ 8:25. विल प्रॉब्ली बी अ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट टू गेट टू द पोकेमॉन सेंटर बिकॉज इट्स वे डीप इनसाइड. बहुत डीप है अंदर, वो शिबुया के हार्ट में है, पार्कों के अंदर. बट आई प्रॉब्ली बी एबल टू चेक आउट अ कपल ऑफ कार्ड शॉप्स, सो आई डू दैट एंड आई विल सी यू गाइस इन अ बिट. बट अंटिल देन जस्ट सोक इन द एब्सोल्यूट सीन्स दैट इज शिबुया. Okay, so I am in another part of Shibuya. It's quite away from the crossing. And हम लोग ने 1-2 और shops hit up करी है. We found some good deals. I'll show you the cards later. But right now I'm headed to my friends at a place. It's like a church bar. It has the aesthetics of a church. But अंदर ऐसे techno music चलता है apparently. I don't drink and I'm not into it EDM and techno because समझता ही नहीं है वो zone. So we are in Shinjuku. Shinjuku basically Shibuya के बाजू में एक district है, which is like it's Tokyo's most populated and busiest district. The financial capital of Tokyo is Shinjuku, as well as it's one of the shopping hubs. And रात को it's one of the nightlife hubs as well. Kabukicho करके एक area है. Just Google it. I won't tell you much about Kabukicho. Just Google Kabukicho, ठीक है once. And there's something about Shinjuku. Just look at the vibe here. It's also the place where that giant Godzilla statue is there ना, जहाँ पे मैंने वो वीडियो शूट किए थे. वो भी मैं B-roll में दिखा दूंगा इधर. So it's probably one of my top 3 favorite places in Tokyo. And just spend 2 minutes here in this spot where you can see stuff happening over there. ठीक है, उधर पूरा एक अलग ही दुनिया चालू है. वो ब्रिज के उस साइड there's a completely different district full of like very underrated restaurants. Then this is the main shopping hub and that is the station. And Shinjuku station is also the busiest station in the world. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 2 मिनट स्पेंड करो सिर्फ, तुम लोगों को समझ इट रियली गिव्स यू दैट फीलिंग ऑफ हाउ स्मॉल यू आर इन द वर्ल्ड. इट्स इनसेन. एनीवेज, तो हम यहाँ से जा रहे हैं योकोहामा, विच इज़ लाइक अ नेबरिंग सिटी टू टोक्यो. On the beach, there's a new Pokemon center that's opened there recently, Yokohama Pokemon Center. Technically not in Tokyo, technically not part of my challenge to do all 4 Pokemon centers, but still I'm going to visit that place, see if there are any cool card shops nearby, और थोड़ा बीच में भी वॉक कर लें, देखते क्या करना है. So I will see you in Yokohama. Okay, so I'm in Yokohama right now, and अगर तुमने एक एनिमे देखा है Bungo Stray Dogs करके, so that's set in Yokohama. And the shops are decent, prices are slightly lower than Tokyo, but selection उतना है नहीं. I was hoping to find some vintage cards, वो तो मिलने नहीं वाला है. But अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ सीधा Pokemon Center. I've been to a couple of card shops. None of them are allowed recording. So I bought a Gengar art rare and a Ghastly art rare and एक दो Groudon लिए मैंने. some good cards, but और एक दो binder भी ले लिए अच्छे वाले. But now I'm headed to the Pokemon Center to see कि ये वाले Pokemon Center पे कुछ difference है या नहीं, या कोई same scene है टोक्यो वाले चारों जैसे ही. Okay, so I'm in Pokemon Center Yokohama and काफ़ी decent area है, काफ़ी chill है यार. It's quite spacious and there's a giant Kyogre here. You have to see this. So because Yokohama is a seaport and Kyogre is obviously the ruler of the seas, I think they've made Kyogre the mascot, which is way cooler than like Pikachu or something. But other than that Kyogre, और यहाँ पे एक Pikachu है with a marine theme. But other than that, it's pretty similar to the other Pokemon centers. मैं ज़रा check करता हूँ अगर मेरे को कुछ exclusive merch मिला तो बोलता हूँ मैं. Otherwise, it is pretty similar to the other ones. And it seems like they have terrestrial 2 packs per day का limit है मगर, तो वो एक अच्छी बात है. But other than that, prismatic packs there really isn't much here. तो थोड़ा घूम के देखता हूँ, मैं कुछ यूनिक मिला तो ले लूँगा. तो इधर थे ही 2 packs का लिमिट, so we got 2 packs of terrestrial. But other than that, not really much to do here. वो मेडल निकाल लेते हैं हम लोग, यहाँ पे कस्टम मेडल्स मिलते हैं हर पोकेमॉन सेंटर. मोस्ट पोकेमॉन सेंटर्स हैव अ कस्टम मेडल, तो यहाँ पे जो योकोहामा वाला कस्टम मेडल है वो निकाल लेते हैं हम लोग. यू गेट दैट कायोगर. इधर का ये स्पेशल है कायोगर, यू ओनली गेट इट हियर. तो लेट्स गेट दैट स्टैम्प. देखो वहाँ पे है वो छोटे का. ओके देखते हैं. कायोगर दिख तो रहा है, काफ़ी कूल है. ओके चलो, दैट वाज पोकेमॉन सेंटर योकोहामा. फन, नथिंग टू क्रेजी, बट इट्स गुड दैट यहाँ पे भी पोकेमॉन सेंटर खुला है. From the Pokemon Center, we went to Chinatown in Yokohama, which is one of the most famous places in that city. And Yokohama was pretty good. काफ़ी packs भी खरीद पाया मैं Pokemon cards के. Overall, a pretty successful visit here. And from there, we went back to Tokyo to sleep off for the night. The next day, we went to the Tokyo Museum of Natural History. And वहाँ पे हम लोग ने बहुत सारे fossils देखे. Quick fact, these fossils aren't actually real. The actual fossils are stored away from sunlight and people because they have to be preserved very carefully. But these are recreations of those exact fossils. Maybe a couple of them have some real bones in them, but most of them are recreations of the fossils that the museum already has. From the museum, we went to Meiji Jingu Shrine, जो टोक्यो का second famous shrine है after Sensoji Temple. And वहाँ से we had an amazing lunch at this place nearby. But the whole time while eating lunch मैं यही सोच रहा था कि बहुत सारे band cards collect हो गए, but जो सबसे rare card है, the one I was looking for, Sabrina's Gengar, यार वो तो नहीं मिल पाया. I spent the rest of the day just shopping at random card shops, expecting to never find a good copy of the banned Gengar. Well, that was until I just walked into a random bookshop. Okay, so big announcement, guys. Remember when I said we were searching for banned cards? Well, I just found the most rare banned card in the history of Pokemon in a random bookstore. The Sabrina's Gengar with the cross in it. Check this out. I don't know if you can see the cross, but this card is insanely rare and also it's in insanely good condition. I've never seen this card इससे better condition में. अपना जापान का ट्रिप हो गया sort. This is the card I've been searching for the most. Last trip भी मुझे अच्छे condition में मिला नहीं. I found a charger but I didn't find this card. Just Google Sabrina's Gengar Japanese just to see what the craze about this is. But yeah, just one last look at this insane card that's 27 years old. That's just crazy. Okay, so I'm in Shinjuku right now, near the square where that 3D cat है ना, ये देखो. ये फुल टाइम चल रहा है इधर. I'm surprised there aren't more accidents. Anyways, We have found a bunch of banned cards. We found Sabrina. We found a couple of Jinxes, and we also found the OG most expensive, सबसे rare banned card, which is Sabrina's Gengar, the Japanese version, जो एक 26-27 साल पुराना कार्ड है. बहुत ही हाईली सॉट आफ्टर है. वी फाउंड इन परफेक्ट कंडीशन. मैं वीडियो तो दिखा दिया, फोटोज भी दिखा दूंगा इधर में. सो आवर जापान ट्रिप इज ऑलमोस्ट अबाउट टू वाइंड अप. 1-2 दिन ही बचे और. बट जो मेरा टारगेट था ऑफ कलेक्टिंग बैंड विंटेज कार्ड्स फॉर दिस ट्रिप, one of the targets, I had several targets, but one of them I feel like we have very very successfully pulled that off. So yeah, मज़ा आ रहा है जापान आके. ऐसे प्रोडक्टिव फीलिंग आ रहा है छुट्टी में भी. नहीं क्या? ओके, और ये बिल्ली देख लो तब तक. Gengar finally मिलने के बाद I headed towards the last Pokemon Center in Tokyo I had to visit. But उसके पहले we took a detour and checked out a couple of anime stores like this One Piece store, also the Nintendo store inside Shibuya, and last but not least the Godzilla store. And from there we headed to Pokemon Center Shibuya. Okay, so we're at the Shibuya Pokemon Center. I said this about the Rayquaza as well, but this is probably my favorite installation at any Pokemon Center. Just take a look at this Mewtwo. यहाँ पे full ऐसे voice effects भी चालू है. People are taking photos. I won't get in the middle of this, but it is Golden Week. It's the most busy time in the year for Japanese people. Just look at photo area बैठ गए. So right off the bat, the games का area है. Some promo. Bunch of plushies. None of the popular stuff is there. I haven't seen like Gengar or anything. ये सही है. These are like your Valentine's Pikachu type. ये Pokemon Center का stock है cards का. Oh, Terrestrial is there, so I'll probably get 2 packs of that. And other than that, so because it's Golden Week, थोड़ा सा slow है. Look at this line. मेरे को कुछ खरीदना तो है सामान, बट लाइन में ऐसा लगता है पूरा ऐसा लाइफ जाने वाला है मेरा. Hopefully it moves fast. Let's see. Anyways, I will see you in a bit. Shibuya Pokemon Center से I bought a bunch of packs plus a giant tote bag. वहाँ से डिनर किया, सो गए and got ready for our last day in Tokyo. काफ़ी बुरा लग रहा था, but because it was the last day, I really went all out in spending. Okay guys, बहुत बड़ा ट्रांजैक्शन कर रहे हैं हम लोग. This is 60,000 yen and we're buying a lot of cards. Koremo. Okay, I think we're done with shopping at Akihabara for the day. Multiple card shops से गया हूँ मैं, थोड़ा anime merch भी लिया. But there's one card shop I went to, which was the one we had gone to during the 151 challenge जो किया था मैंने. वहाँ पे मैंने just look at this. बहुत ज़्यादा कार्ड्स ले लिए. तो अभी पहले तो ये सूटकेस में डालेंगे कैसे? I'm scared it will get like fucking bashed in when packing. But yes, the word for today now is self-control. Probably won't work. Let's see. I obviously have no self-control, so of course I bought more cards. Not the ones you're seeing in this video, because this was from a very high-end store. I just took this video to show you what really expensive cards can look like. इनमें से कुछ भी नहीं खरीदा मैंने. ये सब cards मेरे औकात के बहुत बाहर है. But yeah, there are some cards in this that I would like to be able to buy one day, like this Crystal Lugia. But anyways, moving on. I did find some good deals though later, so I of course bought more cards. Let me show you a few. Okay, it's evening in Akihabara and I have to be very careful ताकि ये phone गिर ना जाए. These stairs are really steep. I wouldn't be surprised if someone's fallen off from these. And I found an absolute steal. I found these 4 evolutions. Actually EV and these 3 evolutions for below their market price in PSA 10. तो basically PSA 10 is when a card is graded and it gets the highest quality, like हर card का हर चीज़ perfect है. And what's more, I found these 4 cards in serial number sequence. So it's 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6. And best part है ये चारों का मेरे को 80% जो market rate है उन पे मिला है ये. So this has to probably be the steal of the day for me today. And I'm quite happy with these. तो ज़्यादा यूजुअली PSA 10 कलेक्ट करता नहीं हूँ मैं बिकॉज बहुत ही अमीर लोगों का शौक है वो. बट आई थिंक दीज आर काइंड ऑफ बजट कार्ड्स तो आई कैन प्रॉब्ली अफोर्ड दिस. एंड व्हाट्स इवन मोर सरप्राइजिंग इज आई हैवंट फॉलन ऑन माई फेस येट, सो दैट्स ऑल्सो अ पॉजिटिव. ओके गाइस, सो वी आर द एयरपोर्ट एंड हम जापान से निकल रहे हैं एंड आवर पोकेमॉन सेंटर विजिटिंग ऑल द पोकेमॉन सेंटर थिंग इज ओवर. एंड जस्ट एज आई एम अबाउट टू लाइक गो फॉर चेक इन, लुक व्हाट आई फाइंड. I completely forgot कि नारिता में भी खुद का कस्टम Pokemon, it's not a Pokemon center, but like a Pokemon shop. And see over here they have a list of what other Pokemon centers are there across the country. And बाकी तो चिली शॉप है, बहुत ही छोटा है, it's much smaller than most Pokemon centers. A little smaller than the Sapporo one as well. Not a little, actually decent bit smaller than the Sapporo one as well. But है चीज़ें करने का मतलब. Pokemon, you have some custom Narita, Pikachu, stewardess plus air hostess plus pilot outfits. Then you have TCG, but कोई अच्छे वाले पैक्स नहीं है, क्रेजी वाले. एंड हाँ बाकी तो चिली है, मतलब क्रेजी. लेट्स गो कम देखते कुछ खरीद लेते हैं. क्या खरीदे? Maybe I'll try get some packs. Let's see. Okay, so they have that stamp वाला thing, and obviously we're gonna get the pilot one. And luckily मेरे पास exactly 200 ये नहीं बचे थे. That's literally all the change I had left. So let's click the pilot on. Okay, this dude is refilling packs in, but doesn't look like there's anything good. ये crazy है. There's like a digital Pokédex touchscreen here. You can go through the Pokemon. ये काफी cool है. इसमें से दिखाता हूँ. And I think our stamp is ready. Yep, से लग रहा है. Okay guys, I will see you back in India now. One last look at the Pokemon store in the airport in Japan. यार सैड तो बहुत हूँ मैं निकलने के लिए यहाँ से, बट ठीक है भाई, बहुत खर्चा कर दिया. Try to see the stuff I opened as well. Oh, and here's the list of all the Pokemon centers in the country. ये काफ़ी cool है. तो अपन सप्पोरो गए. ये चारों तो अपन ने लिटरली अभी विजिट किए इन टोक्यो. शिबुया, मेगा टोक्यो, टोक्यो DX and Skytree of course. These I visited before. I not visited DX. I visited the OG Osaka one. Kyoto I visited before. हिरोशिमा नहीं गया मैं, उधर जाना है. काफ़ी है जो नहीं गया मैं वैसे कभी. योकोहामा भी visited recently. And just like that, my 2-week journey in Japan had come to an end again. ये मेरा तीसरा ट्रिप था 2 साल में. And honestly, I won't be able to forget all of the things I did. Pokemon cards, sure, but also the hot springs, the cherry blossoms, so many memories. And don't worry, this video isn't done yet. I actually have to unpack and show you all the cards I got. Plus, I have a giveaway, जो मैंने पहले mention नहीं किया वीडियो में, because I only wanted to keep it for people who watch the whole video, so that you know people who are genuinely interested can win something. Okay, we finally unpacked the ungodly amount of cards I bought in this Japan trip. And yeah, actually I would say about 70% है. There's a lot more than this, which single cards and all. Sealed तो यही सब है. It's just unhealthy. देखो अपना Gengar. It's just unhealthy. Bankruptcy. And that was my Japan trip. मजा आया देखने में. We picked up a lot of stuff. I showed a bunch of it during the video itself, but there are a few things I didn't get to show, like this binder of Delta species cards. These are all 2003-2004 cards, which are all Pokemon that are like there is it's like terrestrialization. कि basically जो types है इन Pokemon के वो छोड़ के दूसरे types है ये cards पे. So they're quite rare cards which
stopped being circulated around 2006, so I got a bunch of those. I also collected one of every unknown card, so from A to Z or Z, plus all the special characters like exclamation mark and question mark and stuff like that. These are from Diamond and Pearl era, so 2007-8 के cards है, and it was a real treat to be able to collect all of them and make a complete set. Other than that, obviously we have a bunch of loose packs, as you can see. ये giveaway में जाने वाले हैं, so I'll tell you what the details of that giveaway are later. I'm sure you're thinking कि Gengar छोड़ के बाकी कौन से banned cards मिले मुझे. Well, I got the Misty and the Sabrina. And I also got another Meowth, which is a PSA 10. Funny enough, when I got this card, it was around $100. अब ये card का value double के ऊपर हो गया है. So back when I was in Japan, it was the right decision to get this card. मैं तो सिर्फ मुझे आर्ट बहुत पसंद आया इसलिए लिया है, but turned out to be a good decision financially also. And obviously we have some packs. Let's just open. I don't think I opened any packs on video. तो एक एक पैक खोल लेते हैं of the two most popular sets, Team Rocket and Terrestrial Festival, and उसके बाद I'll tell you guys about the giveaway. Let's start with Team Rocket, I think. I know normally when you open these packs, it's done from the POV of the like Ripper, but I'm too lazy to do that, so I'm just going to open it like this. Okay, I hope कोई pull आया हो अच्छा. Oh, nice. We got an art rare. Zamazenta. That's actually pretty cool. Nice luck. And now in Terrestrial Festival. इसका Umbreon insanely महंगा है, but I would be happy to pull any evolution. Let's see what our luck is. आजकल ये पैक तो खोलना बहुत महंगा हो गया है. These packs have gotten insanely expensive. Even in Japan, it was very difficult to get them at market prices. But अभी तो इंडिया में आने के बाद तो भूल जाओ. Nothing too good. We got this Iron Crowns card. ठीक है, not bad. But if you want to win these cards, plus a couple of packs from here, and some other cards I have, which I'm going to give away, then just tell me in the comments what your favorite part of this video was. You don't have to subscribe, you don't have to do anything. Share वेयर करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. बस comments में मुझे ये बोल देना कि ये पूरे वीडियो में. And this is, I think, maybe the longest video on my channel. It's like 50 minutes plus. Just tell me what your favorite part of the video was, and you can win whatever you want. Also, if you have any feedback, अगर कोई I'm going back to Japan in a month anyways. From when this video is released, in 2 to 3 weeks, I'll be in Japan again. So just tell me what else you want me to shoot there content wise. More Pokemon stuff, some anime stuff, Magic तो करने वाला और मैं. So let me know what you want to see. Thank you so much for watching. Comments में मिलते हैं, and I'll see you guys next.